News 46 is brought to you in part by
The Pahrump Nugget is bursting with fun. With over 550 machines, we have the biggest slot floor in town. 5 levels of play and new machines arriving daily. Our huge pit is open 24/7 and is the most comfortable in town. Plus, we have the finest poker room. Play bingo, browse our gift shop, or enjoy the live entertainment at the stage bar. Our cosmic bowling show is out of this world. Children can play at Kids Venture or at the arcade while you get pampered at a Touch of Gold beauty salon. We also have 3 restaurants for your dining enjoyment, centrally located on the corner of Highway 160 and 372.
Yes, divorce cases, obviously interested in juvenile diversion. I believe that if it's a nonviolent offense and it's a first time, that we don't need to have permanent records on our children. But I do expect people to be accountable and responsible.
And that's something that you're looking forward to, especially for the juveniles, that they can try to make up for what they've done, especially if they seem that they are regretful of something.
Yes, if they're remorseful, I think that they need to give back to the community. I think they need to apologize to the victim. And like I said, the first time, I think the juvenile diversion program is a great idea, but we expect you to be accountable and responsible. And if you're there the second time, there will be no diversion.
Exactly. And that is something that you really want to instill, is also community service with these kids if they do things.
Yes, I do. In fact, I'm so impressed by the new community garden here. We have a no-kill animal shelter. So I think that there is some opportunities to give back to the community, and I think it's a win-win for both the community and for the juvenile.
And so tell me a little bit about what you would like to do for the electronic filing.
I currently have active law licenses in 3 states, Colorado, Nevada, and Arizona. And in Clark County, for example, a lawyer can't go and file a piece of paper. It's all done electronically. And given the size of this district, I would like to see the institution of electronic filing. It would save money and time for the parties in the case and for the attorneys.
And what about representing yourself?
I think an individual, if they feel that they are competent, should represent themselves. I would like to make some of the more simple matters, for example, like uncontested divorces, I'd like to make that available, some forms available so that individuals could fill those out and we could get that process done very quickly.
Because there is divorces that can be done extremely quickly and extremely easily, like you're saying, uncontested, where a person just simply needs to file the paperwork.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And it would be nice to have forms available that those individuals could simply do that. Fill those forms out, turn them into the clerk's office, and we could process that very quickly.
Is there anything else that you would like to do in the future?
I'd like to see, in particular, divorce mediation, a mediation program. I think oftentimes people get caught up in the moment, and really a marriage is a contract, and a divorce is the unwinding of that contract. So I think that sometimes when a third party can come in and try to remove those emotions from each side and explain to each side what the costs are, what really they aren't going to accomplish anything by fighting, that I think it would expedite the process.